Funerals are sober moments. The death of a loved one, a close friend, a member of our family often makes us pause and reflect on life. Death, especially if it is of a loved one, is a tutor. We will learn a lot from it. Though we may forget lessons after some time, it would be wonderful if we kept the memory alive. The goal isn't just to mourn with our hope, it is to relish the sentiments and the lessons we've learned. Those thoughts may, after all, be God speaking to us during the sober moment. They may be actually reminding us of what is necessary in life and what isn't. God love you. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Stay inspired.